Are you ready to optimize your lab operations and mitigate risks? OptiTrail's laboratory benchmarking assurance and evaluation services provide comprehensive solutions tailored to elevate your lab's performance. Our experts will assess your lab infrastructure, implement ISO/IEC 17025 standards, and deliver bespoke solutions for maximum productivity and compliance. Assurance solutions include laboratory layout optimization, ISO/IEC 17025 implementation, technical competency training, equipment validation, quality engineers training, outsourcing, and more. Take your laboratory to the next level with our expert solutions. Send us a request by email or via WhatsApp.